On November 24, 1841, the Englishman newspaper in Calcutta published the first news about the discovery of Nainital Lake. Following this, Baron P. Baron published an article titled Pilgrim in the Agra newspaper. This article provided the world with the first detailed information about Nainital. In his article, Baron wrote, a grassy plain with undulating terrain surrounded by groves of oak, deodar, and other trees stretches up to a magnificent mountain a mile above the lake shore. The mountain marks the end of this plain. The edges of the lake are also bordered by beautiful mountains. The slope of the mountain from the peak down to the water's edge are covered with dense forest. The water of the lake is crystal clear, and the lake is fed by a small stream emerging from the forested peaks during the spring. The surrounding peaks were home to countless herds of deer in the forest, and there were so many pheasants that they had to be driven away from the campgrounds. Nainital, renowned as the city of lakes, is surrounded on three sides by tall mountains such as Tiffin Top, China Peak, Sher Ka Danda, etc. The town is situated at an altitude of approximately 1938 meters above sea level. On the global tourism map, it is notable for having the highest number of lakes. In the center of this town lies Naini Lake, which is about 1500 meter long, 510 meter wide, and between 10 to 156 meter deep. This lake is surrounded by 7 hills known as Saptwang, including Aryapat, Depa, Hadingan, China Peak, Snowview, Almora, and Sher Ka Danda. Roads are constructed on both sides of the lake. The upper part of the lake is referred to as Ballital and the lower part is called Talledal. Beside this lake, there are other lakes near which collectively refers to as Chaikata. The development of this lake town accelerated after the railway line was extended to Kathgodam in 1884 and the district headquarters was established in 1891. In 1900, the Raj Bhavan or Secretariat building was established in Ballital. Nainital, which was used as the summer capital of Uttar Pradesh from 1962. After the formation of Uttarakhand, the Uttarakhand High Court was shifted to this building on November 9, 2000. Major tourism attraction in the district: Naina Devi Temple. Naina Devi Temple situated on the shore of Naini Lake near Malleda. This grand temple is dedicated to goddess Naina Devi. The ancient temple was constructed by Sri Motiram Shah in 1880 but was destroyed in a severe landslide. The idol was relocated and the temple was rebuilt at its current location on J.S. Navami in 1882. Naina Peak. Naina Peak, standing at 2611 meters, is the highest peak in Nainital, located about 5.5 kilometers from the town. From Naina Peak, the picturesque Himalaya views can clearly be seen. Snowview. Snowview Peak, with an elevation of 2270 meters, is a very attractive spot accessible by foot or cable car. The cable car runs from Mallida, Naini Lake. This lake, surrounded by hills and shaped like an eye, is the hallmark of Nainital. Its name is derived from goddess Naina. According to mythology, when Lord Shiva was carrying the dead body of goddess Sati, her eyes fell here, forming the lake. Nokuchia Tal. Located 27 km from Nainital, Nokuchia Tal, also known as Lake with 7 corners. Kamal Tal. Kamal Tal, with the lots of abundance of lotus flowers, situated at an altitude of 1106 meters. Bhimtal. Situated at 1370 meters above sea level, Bhimtal is about 11 km from Bhavali and 22 km from Nainital. The Bhimtal Lake provides magnificent views for tourists. It is larger than Naini Lake and visitors enjoy boating here. An island in the middle of the lake features a restaurant. Kainchi Dham. Kainchi Dham, located 8 km from Bhavali on the Nainital-Almora route. This temple, established by Neem Karoli Maharaj, has become an important pilgrimage site. A large fair is held here annually on June 15. Land's End. Situated 4.08 km from Nainital, this spot offers scenic view of Gurpatal and surrounding hills landscape. Corbett National Park. Establishing in 1936 as Haley National Park, it was renamed Jim Corbett National Park in 1957, spanning 520.82 square kilometers. This park entrance is located in Tikala, Nainital, which is quite closer to Ramnagar. This national park attracts more tourists compared to other parks in the state. Kaladungi. Located 50 kilometers from Nainital and 35 kilometers from Corbett, Kaladungi is known for Jim Corbett House and Museum, which is a major attraction for wildlife enthusiasts. Observatory. The Nainital Observatory is situated on a 1,651 meter high hill about 4.5 kilometers from the town, Godakal. Located about 15 kilometers from Nainital, Godakal features a temple dedicated to deity Godu, known for dispensing justice. According to local legends, petitions for justice were submitted to Golu Devta who provided fair judgments. Karudam. A significant railway station on the Northeast Railway, Karudam began operation in 1884. It is considered the gateway to Kumaon Mountains region and tourist destinations, connecting them directly with other parts of the country. It also serves as a major commercial hub. Tourists traveling to Nainital, Bhimtal, Kausani, Ranikhet and other destinations depend on the station. It was upgraded to broad gauge in 1994. Haldwani. Settlement began at the site of present-day Haldwani on the bank of the Gola River during the reign of Chandraja Roopchand in the 16th century. Today is the largest commercial town in the state. Commissioner William Trail renamed it Haldwani in 1834. Commissioner Ramsay also developed this area and is referred to as the gateway to Kumaon, located 8 km south of Karkudam on the Bareilly-Karudam railway route. Haldwani is the third largest municipal corporation in the state by population after Dehradun and Haridwar. It houses various state government establishments. Rani Bagh. Rani Bagh, famous for the Uttaraini fair. Rani Bagh is located 9 km from Haldwani on the banks of the Gola River. It is named after the wife of the ruler Rana Pritam Dev and the mother of Malushahi, Jia Rani, who practiced austerities here. Mukteshwar. Located 51 km from Haldwani, Mukteshwar is surrounded by fruit-bearing trees and oak forests at an elevation of about 3000 meters. It is a home to the Indian Veterinary Research Institute established in 1893 and the Mukteshwar Temple. Ramnagar. Established by Commissioner Ramsay in 1850, initially named Ramsay Nagar. It was later renamed Ramnagar. It is situated on the bank of the Kosi River and it is the final station on the Muradabad-Kashipur rail line. This station is heavily used by tourists visiting Corbett National Park due to its proximity to the park's entrance at Tekala. Garjia Temple. Located 10 km from Ramnagar on the Ranikhet road, Garjia Temple is situated in the middle of the Kosi River. Nearby is the Sitavani area, which features the remains of the Valmiki Ashram, where the remains of sage Valmiki Ashrams are still present. In conclusion, Nainital stands out as a gem of natural beauty, encircled by towering peaks and lush forests. Its serene lake, nestled amidst the majestic hills, not only defines the town but also captivates visitors with its crystal clear waters and breathtaking surroundings. From the historic temples and the charming viewpoint to the tranquil boat rides and vibrant local culture, Nainital offers a rich tapestry of experiences that makes it a must-visit destination. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpses into its storied past, Nainital promises a memorable escape into the heart of the Himalayas.